Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I've got a flip through of my file folder flip journal completed for Dear Julie Julie's mini challenge in the challenge number 4 for the month of April. And so here we go. This is my journal made from a file folder. If you saw either Dear Julie Julie's video or the first part in this video where I made mine, and I've just added a little bit of decoration to the front along with some lace that I stitched on. So we flip it open, and I didn't do anything on this page. Here we flip down, and I've got a pocket here with a journaling card that I put a tab on to make it look sort of like a file folder, since that's the basis of this. And then I want to be sure I'm actually in frame. I am barely. Okay. And then I just put a little cluster on the pocket. Flip it open, and I've got another pocket with another little cluster and another journaling card made from remnants of the file folder that I used to make the journal itself. Here are my journal pages. And here in the center of my signature, I've got my signature strings with three little charms, including a little paper charm made from the same paper I was using for my journal. Here I've got a little rose, and here a little butterfly. So, and these I'm actually putting up this way so that when I fold the journal back up, they're on the bottom. Okay. So the rest of my journal pages, which I've left plain. And then here in the back, I've got a belly band with a little piece of note paper. Here I've got my large pocket that I stitched around, which I believe in my first video I said I was probably going to do that, with a double card here, a note card, with this lace piece for the pullout. Let me flip down, and I've got sort of a double pocket with another little cluster and a tag here and a short fat tag here. So those go in there. And then on this side, I've got a paper clip helping to hold down some of my papers. And I believe Julie referred to this as sort of a flip journal. It's just a pad of paper, note paper. And underneath, I've got another pocket with a couple of more little cards. So I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, including that 5, 6 pockets, and my spine is just over 1/4 of an inch. So I was somewhat limited in how much embellishing I could do, but I wanted to make cards and stuff to go in my pockets. So that's why the pages are basically unembellished. But this is a really neat little journal. I love this idea, and I will be visiting this again, maybe making a wider spine. I don't know. I'm going to play with it, but I love this idea. I love the interactiveness of it. I absolutely love it. Anyway, so that's my flip through. Let me know what you think, and stay healthy, be safe, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.